Everyone, welcome back to my garden. Today I'm planting sunchokes. Sunchokes are so awesome to use in the kitchen. You can slice them up and make chips, you can roast them like potatoes, you can add them to stews, and you can make a delicious soup. Actually, my friend Heather, hope she's watching, makes a delicious sunchoke soup. Maybe she'll add the recipe in the comments below. Sunchokes are tubers, so much like potatoes, you're just going to plant the tube in the ground, and then you're going to put some dirt on them, water them in, watch them grow. They are invasive, so wherever you plant them, you want to make sure you're okay with them coming back season after season. So they also get really tall, 6 to 8 feet tall, and they have these beautiful sunflowers. That's the name, sunchoke. And they can be really tall and really pretty, and they are later in the season, so end of August, September. So lots of perks to growing sunchokes because they're delicious and easy to grow, but they can be invasive, so be careful where you plant them. So I'm going to go plant these in the garden. Alright, so this is, if you're interested, my barnyard red Ollie garden bed. And then I've got my cool little upcycle of a crib mattress in the back. I'm going to grow some pretty peas up that. But I got the sunchokes in, and I just kind of randomly spaced them out here. And then I'm going to go put some really nice, good organic soil on top of them. And probably like about 2 inches worth of soil. And I think we're going to get rain, so I'm not going to worry about watering them in. Pollinate the garden. Plant it once and it comes back over and over. Use it in the kitchen. For me, why isn't everyone growing sunchokes? I hope you like this video. Follow for more garden tips. Stay tuned for some really yummy garden to table recipes. And don't forget to seed the day.